Hello friends, today I take up a new topic and this is Indian foreign policy towards the Indian Ocean. The important lesson plan include why is it in the news, number 1, number 2 introduction, number 3 economic significance of Indian Ocean, Indian policy towards Indian Ocean, the policy of the US towards Indian Ocean, response of the bordering countries and India's response, and then finally conclusion. So friends, now I will take up one by one under these headings. So why is it in the news? As you might have heard the recent visit of Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi in the littoral state of Indian Ocean, and the main objective of China is to increase influence in the Indian Ocean region. And so New Delhi became very much alert, and then it started taking important measures to nullify the impact of or the influence of China in the Indian Ocean region. Friends, as you know, this map is about Indian Ocean, and the position of India is in the center. And you see, this one is the Bay of Bengal, this one is Arabian Sea, and this one is Maldives, and this is the Sicily, and this is Madagascar. What do you see? This is a Gulf of Hormuz. I will detail it later on. And Gulf Strait of Malacca, this one. So what we see, geographically India is centrally located. Indian Ocean is the lifeline of India. So the security and sovereignty of India lies with the freedom or the peace zone of Indian Ocean. There should not be any power play. There should not be dominance of any other power in the Indian Ocean. If India wants to get or achieve great power status,